Hey everybody, Blue from Blue Outside here. So I've got a harvest right. When I'm making this video, I haven't done a video where I've like announced like, hey, I got a harvest right, but I got a harvest right. So I don't know what video I'll put out, which, how, whatever. So I've already done the. I'm not gonna go through and like, hey, I'm gonna teach you how to do this. I'm just gonna share with what I'm doing. I've already done a batch of strawberries and raspberries. This is gonna be onions. And I got some garlic up here, about 10 cloves of garlic right there. And that is roughly 3 pounds of onions. And then I've got 2+ pounds of mushrooms. And this isn't anything that I've grown. It's just I went and bought it. We are extending our garden at the homestead. So get those in there. Get that closed up. Start. Not frozen. Already did the drain. Close. So there we go. I'm going to start the freezing process and I'll bring you back when it's done because I'm going to stay here for 24 hours or 24 to 30 hours, whatever it takes to do it. So we'll be right back. Alright, so after about 27 hours, onions are done. Oh, wow, they're light. So there's the onions. These are like whole slices. Garlic, super light. Mushrooms, feel like styrofoam. So I'm going to jar these up, put an oxygen absorber, keep them sealed for a while. We'll go from there. Hey, thanks for watching everybody. Hope you enjoyed it.